Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening settings immediately. Press Windows key plus I, then choose Personalization. Once there, switch to Lock Screen and scroll to the bottom where the Screensaver Settings link appears. Click that link to open the small legacy dialog that controls screensaver behavior. You do this now so you can change system-level options. This dialog is the control point Windows still uses. Make sure you have admin access if policies block changes. Then proceed to the next step. Once the screensaver dialog is open, select the screensaver dropdown and choose None to turn it off. Make sure to also uncheck on Resume, display Logon screen if you don't want a lock prompt after an activity. Click Apply to commit the change, then OK to close the dialog. Windows stores this immediately in your user profile. If multiple accounts exist, repeat for each user or use an administrator account to apply system-wide. This removes the active screensaver behavior. Finish by verifying. Lock the screen or wait the idle time and confirm the saver no longer appears. If the option is grayed out, make sure group policy or registry settings aren't enforcing a saver. Open gpedit. MSC under Administrative Templates or Inspect HKey Current User /Control Panel /Desktop. If changes don't apply immediately, sign out or restart to force policy refresh. One key troubleshooting tip. Contact the system administrator if policies prevent changes. On managed devices, you may be blocked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.